How to open Mercury bank account for non-US residents. So first is you want to head on to their official website that says mercury.com. And then once you're here, you can click this open account button to start. You just have to fill in the forms by typing in your name, your work email, and create your own password. Once you're done, click this button right here that says Start Application. And next, you can create your company's name. So next, a Mercury call sign will appear, so I'm good with this one so far. So I can click this next button. So another set of choices you will have to check, but you can also choose none of the above if there are no appropriate options that you see on this screen. So for this case, I will choose none of the above. So next features that will show is which Mercury features are you interested in. So you can select the choices between checking and savings, credit cards, bill pay, invoicing, reimbursements, and working capital. So you can select all that apply, and Mercury Bank will customize your experience accordingly to the choice that you have been chosen. So Mercury Bank will also ask if you have any hired of any of the following people. So select all that apply. So in this case, I will choose employees for example, and then click next. And you just have to basically answer all their follow-up questions. So for example, have you raised external funding? So you just have to click. So in this case, for example, I will choose yes, and then click on this next button. So once you're here, you just have to fill all the blank forms that is needed for you to create your Mercury bank account. So from company info to company address, ownership details, company documents, expected activity, and follow-up questions. So once you're done with that, you will be able to successfully create your account. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. I'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.